some breaking news. Tejaswi Yadav announces new poll SOPs and now JDU hits out at Tejaswi's poll SOPs announcement. JDU says Tejaswi only makes hollow claims and Tejaswi made Bihar's jungle Raj. Tejaswi also ruined Bihar in 15 years. Nitish took 20 months to fix the jungle Raj due to RJD. This is what the JDU is claiming. JDU National Working President Sanjay Kumar Jha slammed Tejaswi Yadav after his poll SOP, saying, "What does it take to say something? Tejaswi Yadav ruined Bihar in 15 years. It took Nitish Kumar years to fix it. In 20 months, he will take Bihar back to the same position it had reached during his rule."
जो त्रिस्तरीय पंचायत प्रतिनिधियों एवं ग्राम कचहरी प्रतिनिधियों का मानदेय भत्ता दुगना किया जाएगा। हमारी सरकार बनने पर, महागठबंधन की सरकार बनने पर पूर्व पंचायत एवं ग्राम कचहरी प्रतिनिधियों को पेंशन राशि देने की शुरुआत की जाएगी। त्रिस्तरीय पंचायत एवं ग्राम कचहरी प्रतिनिधियों का 50 लाख का बीमा किया जाएगा। जो पीडीएस है यानी जन वितरण प्रणाली वितरक जो है उनके मानदेय जो है हम लोग दिलवाने का काम करेंगे और प्रति क्विंटल मिलने वाले मार्जिन मनी को जो है बढ़ाया जाएगा। जो 58 इयर्स का जो बैरियर है, जो बाध्यता है, उसको जो है हम लोगों की सरकार बनने पर समाप्त जो है हम लोग करेंगे।
बकैती करना हो, हम लोग यहाँ कहा जाता, उसमें तो कुछ लगता नहीं है बोलने। जो वो 15 साल में बिहार को बर्बाद किए, नीतीश कुमार को सालों लगे उसको ठीक करने में। 20 महीना में फिर जो कह रहे हैं ना, गलती से मौका मिल गया। नीतीश कुमार को तो बिहार बनाने में 20 साल लगा, ठीक कर देंगे। वो 20 महीना में बिहार को फिर वहीं पहुंचा देंगे जहां उनके राजपाट में बिहार पहुंचा हुआ था।
And my colleague Rohit Singh is now joining us with more details on this. Rohit, after Tejaswi Yadav announced new poll SOPs ahead of the elections, now controversy and politics also continues over it, with the JDU now slamming Tejaswi Yadav and saying that RJD is only going to bring back jungle Raj in the state.
Well, see, it's raining soaps one after another as far as the Mahagathbandhan is concerned. Tejaswi Yadav almost every alternate day coming out with new declarations. First, it was providing government jobs to each and every household in Bihar. Then he made a slew of announcements for Jivika Didis in the state. And now today he has again made a series of announcements, big declarations for panchayat representatives and PDS dealers. So all these things, the declaration that he is making is now being countered by the JDU, claiming that they were nothing but hollow claims and hollow promises, and that are being made by Tejaswi Yadav, because what they believe is that they don't have to come to power, and that is why they are making all empty promises. And Sanjay Jha especially again reminded of Jungle Raj and claimed that if by chance Mahagathbandhan gets back to power, then it will be like the return of Jungle Raj in the state in just 20 months. And so it's all happening in Bihar politics as the election season is on and things are hotting up. Tejaswi Yadav trying to match the series of declarations and cash benefits offered by the NDA government by making all the promises, tall promises, and Janata Dal United and the NDA countering it with the Jungle Raj jibe. Back to you.
All right, Rohit, thank you for those details and for that context. So Tejaswi Yadav has announced new poll SOPs, and JDU has now hit out at Tejaswi's poll SOPs announcement, saying that Tejaswi only makes hollow claims and that he will bring back Jungle Raj in the state.